Hi, good day everyone. I would like to welcome you to my first ever video, which is a compilation of my pickup lines, which I entitled Pickup Line ni Cute Boy Pickup, which I conceptualized last year on celebration of our wedding anniversary. And now I'm putting it on video, and I will dedicate it to the birthday celebration of my wife. So sit back and relax and enjoy my video. Bakit ah? Bakit? Because whether you're long or short, straight or curly, black or blonde, I will still like and love you. Tenga ba kita? Bakit? Kasi pag malapit ka, wala na akong ibang marinig kundi tibok ng mga puso natin. Dub dub, dub dub, dub dub. Bibib ba kita? Bakit? Kasi ikaw lang ang nagbibigay ng lakas sa kalooban ko para isigaw sa buong mundo. Ikaw lang ang pinakaiibig ko. Hilong ba kita? Cause all I can smell is your scent. Crimson green in your hair, Colgate confidence on your breath, Dove cream all over your body, Rexona self whitening on your armpit, Nivea lotion on your arm and legs, pH care at the midpoint, and gosh, peasant poop powder on your foot. Puso ba kita? Bakit? Kasi pag tumigil ka na sa pagtibok para sa akin, ibig sabihin katapusan na ng buhay ko. Batok ba kita? Bakit? Kasi kahit hindi kita nakikita, alam ko na riyan ka para sa akin. Kuko ba kita? Bakit? Kasi ang sarap mong panggigilan, ang sarap mong kagat-kagatin. Mata ba kita? Bakit? Kasi kapag nawala ka, mawawalan ng liwanag at kulay ang mundo ko. Kili-kili ba kita? Bakit? Kasi dapat kitang alagaan. Kasi you're my sensitive zone. Tinapong ba kita? Bakit? Because my whole body's weight depends on you. Please don't make me fall. Please. Please. Muscle ba kita? Muscle ba kita? Bakit? Kasi kung sa kong buto, I am nothing without you. I cannot move, nor I will function without you. Ngipin ba kita? Because when you smile, I can see a sparkling light, and your cool breath chills me up. Talampakan ba kita? Bakit? Cause your every step I make and your every move I take. Baliktad. Ups ba kita? Bakit? Kasi gagawin ko ang lahat. Titisin ko lahat ng hirap. Magpasa akin ka lang. Paaba kita. Bakit? Sige, dalhin mo na ako saan mo gusto. Wherever you want, whenever you want. Thank you for watching my video. God bless.